Welcome back to Zach's Guns, guys. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm still alive, and I actually got something new I want to show you, so I figured I'd do an unboxing with you guys. Let's check it out, shall we? I got the FN 502. Comes in a hard plastic case, lockable. There's the model there. I got the 10-round version. Let's check it out. Paperwork, I know you don't care about that. Spare magazine. Looks to be a steel body wrapped in polymer. Feels like good construction. It's got the little thumb assist on the side. Nice feature. What else? Owner's manual, of course. And we got, looks like different optic plates. Rear sight attached. There's your screws. And then a spare front sight. That's pretty nice, especially for the price I paid. Alright, let's check out the gun. There she is. The FN 502 Flat Dark Earth. Very nice. Chamber flag. Manual safety. Nice. Fully ambi. Nice gun. Let's see if it's got a magazine disconnect. Nope, it does not. That's good. No magazine disconnect. You got suppressor height sights on there. Not sure if you can see that sight picture. Just all black. Probably throw some white paint on there just to have a little contrast. Accessory rail on the front. Very nice. Doesn't look like it has back straps that you can change out. What else you got? FN branded lock. Good to have. And there she is. Nice gun. Plastic trigger, plastic sights. But for under 300 bucks, you can't really complain, right? Let's take her down. See how she looks inside. It looks really well built. Now, I did my research before buying this, and I read that a lot of people have issues with these guide rods and recoil springs. So I actually got something else I want to show you. All right, might as well do an install as well. But we got the Taylor Tactical steel guide rod, and we got the Taylor Tactical SIG P250 for 22LR recoil spring. This is supposed to be a stronger spring for this gun, and it's supposed to improve your reliability. So we'll just do a quick install on this. Get your spring. Guide rod. Now this one's captive, but I don't think it makes a difference. As far as I read, it doesn't. Put her back together. All right. Lock the slide back. That is a stiff takedown lever. She does not want to go. There we go. Alright, so we got the upgraded recoil spring and guide rod on the FN 502. Nice little gun. Also picked up a spare magazine. And just a heads up, guys, these are like 40 bucks a pop. So if you want to get one of these guns, be prepared to spend a little extra cash on your spare mags. But that's it, guys. FN 502. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.